Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss about ninth class topic, chapter number first, sets, practice set 1.1. So within a practice set 1.1 we have a first question, write the following sets in rosters form, means the listing method. Within it first sub question we have set of even natural numbers. So we are writing now the listing method of given set builder form. We will assume that let we have a set A having set of all even natural number. So we have to mention each and every individual element now. So which are the even numbers, and that should be the natural one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on up to the infinity. Next of all, sub question second is of the form now, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. So first of all be focused on the prime numbers. We have prime numbers are of the form 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Sets of all those number which has exactly two divisors, 1 and itself, that is known as set of prime number. So let us assume now we have the set B even prime. So which is our even prime number? So that is only a 2. Keep in mind 2 is only a number that is even as well as a prime. So we have set B is of the form having an element 2. Look at the third sub question. We have it is of the form set of negative integers. So everyone well known now. We have there are two types of integers, like sets of integers are denoted by capital Z or I, that are from minus infinity to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to the positive infinity. Among them we have now set C is of the form only negative integers. So which are the negative integers we have? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on up to negative infinity. Look at the fourth sub question, 7 basic sounds of a sargam, sur. Which are the 7 basic sounds we have for the sargam? So we will consider, let us consider set D, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. So those are the 7 sur of sargam. Look at the question number second of practice set 1.1. Write the following symbolic statement in words. Within it first statement we have 4 by 3 belongs to Q. So keep in mind this symbolic representation implies belongs to. Okay, so we are writing now the first sub question is of the form 4 by 3 is belongs to sets of rational number. Q is there, so Q implies sets of rational number and everyone well known 4 by 3 is the rational number. Now look at the second sub question. We have minus of 2 not belongs to. Keep in mind this symbolic representation is for not belongs to. Like way we have the equal to and not equal to, like that way we have belongs to and not belongs to. So here we are writing now the statement in words, minus of 2 is not belongs to, n means what? Sets of natural number. Now everyone will know natural number are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to the infinity. So minus of 2 is not a natural number. Now we have set P having an element P such that P is an odd number. So we have to write along word wise. So how to write? The third sub question we have P is set of all p's, small p's, okay, such that P is an odd number. Look at the question number 3 from practice set 1.1. Question number 3 is of the form write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So that we are considering now we have the set A is of the form such that A having an element x, x is such that 3x minus of 5 equals to a 7 for all x belongs to sets of natural number. So how to write now the listing method of the given set builder form? So that we are having 3x minus of 5 equals to 7. So try to simplify this linear equation in one variable. So we are getting 3x equals to 7 plus 5 becomes a 12. So after all simplifying, x value we have a 12 divided by 3. 3 fours we have a 12. So a having only one element, and that is 4, which is our solution of linear equation in one variable. Keep in mind. Now the second set we are having supposed to be is of the form, let B be the sets of all x's such that x to be equals to n square for all n belongs to sets of natural number. So which are the perfect square numbers now we have to write. B having an elements, so we have to consider now the square of natural number. Keep in mind 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and so on up to infinity. Now look at the question number 4 from practice set 1.1. Write the following sets using listing method. So we have given the set builder form, and now we have to write listing method of each set. So first sub question we have all months in the Indian solar year. So which are the months exist in the Indian solar system? That is Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad. Next to it we have Shravan. Next to it we have Bhadrapad. Next to it we have Ashwina. Next to it we have Kartika. Next to it we have Margashisha. Next to it we have Posh. Next to it we have Magh. Next to it we have Falguna. That's it. Now look at the next sub question. We have letters in the word complement. So which letters are exist in the word complement? Now we are writing the second sub question. So let us assume we have the set now B, and the letters in the word complement we have C O M, P L, then E, then M already we took. So if the letters are repeated twice or thrice, we have to write it once only. Next to it E again already there, N, and last letter we have a T. Now look at the third sub question, sets of human sensory organ. So which are the human sensory organ? We call that set as an set C. So we are having elements of the sets like nose, then ears, next to it we have eyes, next to it we have tongue, and last one we have a skin. So those are sensory organs in human body. Next to it we have fourth sub question, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So we have to write just from 1 to 20 only. So we will assume now we have the set D. Which are the prime numbers? That should be a divisible by 1 and itself only. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Those are the prime numbers that are lie in between 1 to 20. Look at the next sub question. We have names of continents of the word. So that now we call that set as an set E. So which are the continents we have? Asia, then Africa, then we have Australia, next to it we have Europe, next to it we have Antarctica, next to it we have South America, Next to it we have North America. That's it. Now look at the question number 5 from practice set 1.1. Question number 5 is of the form write the following sets using rule method, or we might say the set builder form. So we have first sub question, A having an elements now 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So those are all perfect square numbers less than equal to 100. So we are writing now A having an element such that x square for all x belongs to sets of natural number and x is now less equal 10 because we are having 10 square as an 100. So up to 100 we are having the perfect square number. Now look once, second sub question is of the form set B having an element 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So we may write now set B is of the form such that it has an element 6x. For all x belongs to sets of natural number. We have 6 8s are 48. So we will require x now less equal 8, like that. Look at the next sub question. We have C having an elements S, M, I, L, E. So those are the letters in the word smile. So we are writing third sub question set builder form of set C is of the form x such that x is a letter in the word smile, like that, SMILE. Look at the next sub question. We have D equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So those are days in a week. So we might say that now sub question 4 set D, set builder form of it, x is such that x is a day of week. That's it. Next to it, next sub question we have x be the sets having an element A, E, T. So we may write now the set builder form of set x. We have is of the form having an element small x such that x is a letter in the word. We have either a T or eat, like that. So here we had our practice set 1.1. Thank you.